Hi, listen very carefully. You have two choices to make when it comes to the issue of artificial intelligence. Whether you adopt it, you get left behind. Artificial intelligence has been said that is the next biggest thing. Going to take a lot of people to the next level. But the question is, what is in it for you? An AI tool should be able to make work seamless, and it should be effortless, and it should not be complex. Not all tools are going to do that for you. There are a lot of tools out there. I have selected 7 AI tools that has the capacity to save you a lot of time and make you a lot of money, which I will be sharing with us today. All you just need to is sit back. Make sure you click the notification button, subscribe, and let's move on. Let's get started. The first tool we are going to be looking at today is Microsoft CoPilot. CoPilot directly complements Microsoft's entire suite of products. That means it's able to do everything from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to making full-blown PowerPoints. CoPilot can even transcribe notes during a Microsoft Teams meeting and provide you with a summary of key points and action items, and even execute on the actions itself. So let's say one of the action item was to make a presentation. CoPilot is able to create a tailor-made presentation to your desired branding guidelines. I mean, you spend a lot of time before you can create a PowerPoint presentation, but this has the capability to save you a lot of hours. It knows your calendar, therefore it can prepare you for upcoming meetings. It can even generate reports and other Word documents based on previous work. And of course, it can reply to all of your emails for you. I want to believe, and I want to say strongly, that CoPilot is one of the best examples of AI making your workflow more seamless and more efficient. It's an AI tool that anyone can take advantage of regardless of their occupation, and especially if you use Microsoft products. If you subscribe to Microsoft products, then CoPilot will be useful. Whether you need to make a pitch deck to your clients or analyze last quarter's profitability, CoPilot can help you tremendously. Are you drowning in paperwork, contracts piling up like Everest, feeling like you're spending more time on documentation than running your business? DoUHA is here to slice through the paper jungle and set you free. Imagine this: you toss the contract, invoice, and then the document at DoUHA. This AI tool instantly reads and analyzes it, summarizes key points, extracting deadlines, and highlighting potential red flags. No more wasting of time that is not necessary. But DoUHA is more than just a fancy highlighter. It's just your personal business intelligence ninja. Talking about actionable insights. DoUHA doesn't just tell you what, it tells you so what. Get instant recommendations on next steps, potential risks, and even negotiation strategies. Talking about contract guardian. Never miss a crucial clause again. DoUHA pinpoints hidden terms, unfair clauses, and potential deal breakers before you sign on the dotted line. Compliance company. Sleep soundly knowing DoUHA is your legal ego high. It ensures your documents meet all regulations, saving you time, money, and potential headaches. It's also a team transformer. DoUHA isn't just your solo. DoUHA isn't just about saving time. It's about empowering you to make smarter, faster decisions. Focus on what you do best, running your business, and let DoUHA undo the paper dragon. Stop paper cuts, slash inefficiency, and conquer the document mountain with DoUHA. Okay, the next tool we want to look at are the tools that you can easily use to build your websites. A couple of years ago, Websites required a lot of skills and training. I mean, you need to be proficient in several coding languages and also how to design everything, and then you need to write each piece of code manually. This entire process could take weeks and times even months, depending on the complexity of creating those websites. It was a long, arduous, and most importantly, very expensive process. And in the late 90s, even the most basic website cost up to $20,000. And you need to build them. Tools like WordPress came, and later Wix and Shopify. These tools drastically brought down the cost, and all of a sudden, people could build websites much more faster. And even in the late 2000, the problem still remained. The problem of time was still something. Even though the cost came down, you still needed a lot of time to do those simple things, to code and to build everything together. So that's where AI comes in. AI has seriously changed the landscape when it comes to the issue of website building. Tools like 10web.io and Durable can use AI to build your entire website for you. And it will design, it will write code and source and insert imagery, and in a matter of minutes, you have your website up and running. Fully functional website, aesthetically pleasing website. All you need to do is just to give some basic information, and within few minutes, answering prompts, you will be able to take advantage of even built-in features like a CEO. Our recreation allows you to feed all websites you like, and it can recreate similar websites for you. Now, of course, once you can do edit anytime you like. And this is a very good innovation that has made things that you do for freelancers pay a lot of money. Now you can get it done basically at a lesser cost and within the twinkling of an eye. The next tool we want to talk about that actually helps you to save time and simplify your workflow is SHGBT Writer. SHGBT Writer is so simple, yet such a no-brainer. And that's why you remember that when ChatGPT first of all came out, when you need to answer an email, all you just need to do is you copy your email and you go and paste it in ChatGPT, and when you get the response, you put it back. But what this does is the fact that it's just a Chrome extension which you will download. When you download the Chrome extension, what it does is at a go is able to help you to reply your mails, and during that process you are able to get your work done faster. So I recommend you download that extension, SHGBT Writer. The next tool we want to talk about is DoUHA. DoUHA has the power to either assist or entirely replace your support team. And do you know that while boosting sales on your website, and obviously this means that you either save money by hiring less staff or make more money by providing a better customer experience. And both of these lead to the same outcome, which is more net income in your pocket. Now, DoUHA is essentially an AI-powered chat box that can do two things. It either replaces lengthy, frequently asked questions and answer customer questions in a matter of seconds. So that means that you can easily increase your site's conversion rate by making the customer journey so much more seamless. Because listen, instead of clocking the website with tons of frequently asked questions and still having loads of questions unanswered, you can now feed all of that information into AI, which then answers all of your customers' queries. The AI can also answer more advanced queries like order fulfillment or restock by tapping into the database. Now, the second thing that the AI allows is for human customer support. to work faster and better. You see, AI is the thing. AI TDO is a text-based AI tool, which means it can take your support agents quick and write replies and turn them into full sentences that are on par with your company's branding. But if your customer asks a question that is beyond the scope of the AI's knowledge base, then it will automatically refer them to a human agent. Now, here is the interesting thing. TDO Leo can answer 70% of your customers' questions. That means your support system can service more people in less time. And as I said, the result is happier customers and ultimately more sales. The next tool we are looking at is Adobe Firefly. I so much like this AI tool. Are you stuck in a creative rut? Feeling like your imagination ate too much paint. Adobe Firefly is here to blast your inspiration open like a supernova. This AI-powered wonder tool is like a genie in a digital lamp, ready to grant your wildest creative wishes. Imagine painting your dreams with words, describe your vision, and under minutes, Firefly paints it into existence. No brushes, no canvas, just pure creative explosion. Ditch the design block. You need the logo, a poster, a social media banner. Firefly conjures up a plethora of options in diverse styles, letting you to choose the one that sings to your soul. Say goodbye to staring at a blank page. It can track your masterpieces like a pro. You want to change the mode of your photo, add a playful slash of color. Fireflies, your magic wand. It seamlessly manipulates images, removes unwanted objects, and even adds stunning textures, all with a few clicks. You get out of your comfort zone. Firefly pushes your creative boundaries, suggesting unexpected color palettes, surprising text effects, and even generating variations of your work. It's like having a brainstorm body on steroids. It can automate the mundane. You can let Firefly handle background removal, resizing, and basic edits, freeing your time for the juicy stuff, like adding that spark of genius to your work. So one thing I like about this tool is the craziest out of all the tools that I've seen, right? It creates something out of nothing. If you want to design a picture, very useful for photographers and those that do a lot of with videos. It can create images just by giving it the right prompt. You spend so much time and so much money hiring people to get this done for you. You want to create an image, you need to travel distances at times to get those images. But within the click of your mouse, Firefly will generate text to image, quality text to image objects that you can use freely without spending any additional cost. The last tool we are looking at today is Opus Clips. Imagine that you have poured your heart and soul into long form video, but short form platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts become. Problem is carrying out those viral nuggets like takes time, sweat, and editing skills you might not have. Opus Clip is your all-powered secret weapon. It's like a robot ninja who slices and dices into your videos into bite-sized brilliance. This is how it works. Toss your video in Open Clips, brain goes into the overdrive. It scans every frame, sniffs out the juiciest moments, and it joins them together. No more guesswork. Open Clips analyzes thousands of viral videos and predicts your creation's virality score, giving you a sneak peek at its potential to explode. All right. No more awkward zooms. Open Clips keeps your face front and center. It always sweat spots on the frame. No more editing jitters for you. It's a creativity booster. you will have more energy to focus on what matters, your ideas. So ditch the editing stress, unleash your inner contact beast, and let Opus Clip handle the rest. Remember, time is money, and with Opus Clips, you will be swimming in viral gold in no time. So these are some of the tools that I've carefully selected for us, and I believe that if you use some of these tools, is going to make you a lot of money. It's going to save you a lot of time. Time, they say, is money. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos and information from this channel. Till next time, bye for now.